In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram error that says, "This channel can't be displayed." This message usually appears when Telegram's sensitive content filter blocks a channel or prevents certain media from being shown. The good news is that, in many cases, you can fix the issue by changing one privacy setting in Telegram Web and then restarting your Telegram app. I'll walk you through every step clearly so you can follow along on a browser, mobile device, or desktop computer. Before we begin, make sure you're using the correct Telegram account and remember that some channels or content may still be unavailable because of regional restrictions, channel removal, age limitations, or Telegram's own policies. If this guide helps you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical app tutorials. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Telegram Web website. You can use Telegram Web by visiting web.telegram.org. Once the page loads, log into the Telegram account connected to the channel that you're trying to view. Depending on your account and security settings, Telegram may ask you to enter your phone number, confirm a login code, or approve the sign-in from another device where you're already logged in. Complete the verification process and wait for your Telegram chats to appear. After you're logged in, open the Telegram menu and select Settings. On some versions of Telegram Web, you may need to click the menu icon in the top left corner before the Settings option appears. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security, then click or tap it to open the account privacy options. Now scroll down through the Privacy and Security page until you find the section related to sensitive content. The exact wording can look slightly different depending on the Telegram web version, your browser, or your region. Look for an option such as Sensitive Content, Disable Filtering, or a setting that controls whether potentially sensitive media and channels are hidden. When you find the setting, enable Disable Filtering. This tells Telegram not to automatically filter certain sensitive content from your account. If the option is displayed as a checkbox, select the checkbox. If it appears as a switch, turn the switch on. If Telegram shows a confirmation message, review it and confirm the change. Keep in mind that this setting may not override every restriction. Channels that have been deleted, made private, blocked in your country, or restricted by Telegram may still remain unavailable. Once you have enabled the setting, close Telegram Web or leave the browser open while you restart the Telegram application on your device. This step is important because the mobile or desktop app may still be using the previous filtering settings until it reconnects to your account. On a mobile phone, completely close Telegram from your recent app screen and then open it again. On Windows or Mac, exit Telegram rather than simply minimizing the window, then launch the desktop application again. After Telegram restarts, open the channel that previously showed the message, "This channel can't be displayed." In many cases, the channel or its content should now be visible. If the message still appears, refresh the chat, check your internet connection, and make sure you're logged into the same Telegram account where you disabled filtering. You can also sign out and sign back in if the setting does not appear to synchronize immediately. If you use multiple Telegram apps such as Telegram Web, Telegram Desktop, and Telegram Mobile, remember that each app may need to refresh its connection before the change becomes noticeable. It's also worth checking whether the channel is still active. If the channel was removed, made private, or restricted by its administrator, changing the sensitive content setting will not restore access. Make sure you have the correct channel link and that you're a member of the channel if membership is required. Avoid downloading unofficial Telegram applications or using unknown websites that claim they can bypass Telegram restrictions because they may put your account and personal information at risk. So, to recap, open Telegram Web, log into your account, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, scroll down to the Sensitive Content area, and enable Disable Filtering. Then completely restart Telegram on your mobile or desktop device and try opening the channel again. This is the most common solution for the Telegram message saying that a channel can't be displayed. If this tutorial solved the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more Telegram tips, troubleshooting guides, and simple app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.